Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you. My lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu don't go destroy the wrong home. The native doctor, when he tell Juju Ekwensu say, go and destroy the home of me Edoshe, it will favor you. That native doctor need to be arrested and locked up in jail. Because at this point, by the time you listen to this video from the beginning to the end, una go even pity Juju Ekwensu. The last thing any home wrecker make una listen, Ekwensu Eromasi Mami Water fans, when e be say una dey support bad thing, come let me tell you, the last thing you people want to do is to destroy the home of an educated woman. Education get education o. A woman that different university was calling her. May Edoshe, the best university in Nigeria, called her to come and study medicine. Another one called her, may come study computer science. That is to tell you how educated she is. You can see the education in her character, in her appearance, in the way she behave, in the way she talk. Education in the overflow. That kind of woman that Juju Ekwensu say wants to destroy her. Juju Ekwensu took me Edoshe quietness for weakness. But what Juju Ekwensu don't know is that me Edoshe no dey follow you dey fight too. She know the battle words with you. She know the drag. Me Edoshe battle na paper and biro. Me Edoshe battle is paper and biro. Listen to this video, you go understand the paper and biro when I dey talk. Hey! Now Lizzie Gold math, now we for hear this one. Lizzie Gold na carry matter come outside though. Lizzie Gold say you tell am say in dey pity Juju Ekwensu and her children. He say na I can say which kind talk be that one? He say they pity them o. He say because Juju Ekwensu no know anything at all. He say Juju Ekwensu just dey rush dey enter this marriage of a thing. He say Juju Ekwensu forget say he and May Edoshe started from zero. And there are too many things wey attach him and May Edoshe. He said the last thing Juju Ekwensu want to do is enter into that marriage. He said they pity her. He said because there are too many things between him and May Edoshe. Too many things where they do together. Now Lizzie Gold say he never understand. Wetin be the things una do? He say you shaky head. Shaky head. According to you, he said when he and May Edoshe started, when they born Daniela, things were going well. They born Kambele, things were fine. They born Kai, oh my God, everywhere scatter. They were okay, they've made it, they've made money. He said they were really okay then. They were not rich, but they don't balance. They were not lacking. You know when they'll say our money not rich, that one not come they were okay, they even have extra. He says so they constantly they go open accounts for their children. So that they put savings into their children accounts. He said now May Edoshe can't tell and say, even if they see they put money into their children accounts, that one not still stop waiting go happen for future. Now May Edoshe can't tell and say, even if they open account for their children, that is not enough insurance for their children. They need to create a proper insurance for their children. He say you say come ask May Edoshe say like what? According to you tell Lizzie Gold say, do you know that all the decision in that house now May Edoshe they make am? All the decision. He said like this woman will just wake up, she will just come up with one decision like this. He go just they look, he be like mumu. He go just they look. He say if now only one, he say where they did today they for not there. He said May Edoshe na be the decision maker. He said that one will just sleep and wake up with one kind of strange idea. You could ask yourself, say, whether na God talk to her for dream. He said May Edoshe say they need to insure their children. He said now May Edoshe tell her say, this insurance, their children need them. Say me you remember say they be Igbo. And nobody knows what tomorrow holds. He not pray me anything happen to them. But they need to plan ahead. That is the mistake of many parents. When they can't buy their children, they suffer. Now me Edochie tell you say, you know, say, Igbo, they get one kind of character. If papa and mama buy children small, even if husband buy or wife buy, depend. Family are always fighting for property. They like to collect property and leave the children to suffer. They will come up with one excuse or the other to claim property from the children. Now you say, come tell me, Edochie, say, that will not be our portion now, because at least you come from a very good family. He come from a very lovely family. He not believe, say, their family will treat their children bad. You see me, Edochie, come tell and say, when until person they are alive, you can guarantee that. When person don't buy no day again, that word is no longer guaranteed. People that love you when you are alive, they can dislike your children when you are no more. They can treat your children bad when you are no more. Say me Edochie tell us, look at many orphans outside. Their papa girls, some are from rich family. The moment their father buy, the family will come, they will collect everything and leave those children outside. Me Edochie say it's not going to put our children through anything like that. Say they need to plan ahead. Plan B is always important in plan A. Now I can tell you, you say, let them go to a lawyer. They should go to a lawyer and sign and will their properties to their children. Nobody else could collect property, only their children. You can look at. He say, you can look at, say, now good idea. After all, which papa and mama won't work, make another person come chop a property. Now person picky person they pray, make he eat a property. You say that's a good idea. Let them go. They can't go meet lawyer. As they reach lawyer, now they go sign paper. They can't sign paper. Me Edochie sign, you sign. As they sign, now me Edochie tell the lawyer, say, write for that paper. Say, anything we won't cancel this decision where they take, she must be a partaker to sign on the agreement. Say, this thing, both of us no agree on it again. Or if she one day wake up, say, you know, my property, I cannot give it to my children. You need to say and say, me Edochie, okay, I sign for me Edochie to remove her children's name from her property. You still carry barrel, he sign. After they don't sign, this paper was signed. They never even born Zin. When they born Zin, they can still go add Zin, they join. You use the two-legged this Benz still take go. They can still add Zin. Name join that paper. You not know say he go practice polygamy. You can still go sign paper. They can still put Zin name. Now use the two-legged this Benz go. They not force her. They not put a gun for your head. They not carry with it. They say they cut chicken put for your neck. Now use the two-leg go. They go say sign. So after you just sign those papers, everything, it can still come aside. Go carry Juju after years. It can go come out. Carry Juju go into come out as a second wife. Me Edochie dey corner quietly looking at them. Because the woman had already secure her things. When I tell una say, me Edochie silence means a lot. You know when somebody is fighting a lost battle with you, what do? Do you fight that person? No. You quiet and be looking at the monkey. The mongrel. You'll be looking at the mongrel. Make it a fight. Because she's only fighting herself. She don't understand the silence of me Edochie. The woman did not only build the house. The woman did not only build her home, build her husband. She secured her home. Women build and secure. Don't build and lose guide. If to say me Edochie lose guide, story forget K-leg by this time. Because you all know that Juju Ekwensu did not come to do a second wife. She came to pursue me Edochie and enter a Jamashon. But me Edochie secured everything she worked for. Hey! Odogu me Edochie. Odogu me Edochie. All this while, you not even remember say inside one paper You know, say yeah man, yeah husband. Wey be say their mind not dey where they suppose dey. You know, say all this yeah husband, when they don't know wetin dey happen for house, na kpekus na be their work. Sometimes they don't remember things that is happening in their home. According to wetin they carry come tell us, Juju Ekwesu come dey disturb you. You and me Edochie, una not dey again. Your children, they not send you. Money wey you get for account, you need next of kin. If anything happen to you tomorrow, who is going to be the next of kin? Your children don't care about you. Me Edochie don't care about you. That money go just go like that. You need a next of kin. Now me Edochie come look up, look grand. Oh. You say come look up, look grand, because say na true to, you truly need next of kin. Next of kin no mean say the person will come chop your money. Next of kin mean say if you know dey again, the person will inherit the property. Abi? Now you carry two-legged this bet. You can go bank. Come reach bank, say you won't make Juju Ekwesu next of kin. You can carry two-legged this bet go bank. Come tell them for bank, say he won't make Juju Ekwesu next of kin. Next of kin to his accounts. Now the bank will say, problem no dey. Your ID please, your this, your that. Juju Ekwesu come they bring her come outside. Body dey sweet. They say body dey sweet Juju Ekwesu. Now you talk am. You say body come dey sweet Juju Ekwesu, come dey happy. Now so Juju Ekwesu dey kiss am. Odogu, Isimiri Jofo. This night, hey, he go give you anyhow you want am. Anytime you want stop, you go do am. Say body come dey sweet Juju Ekwesu. He say bank don't carry paper. They don't dey write everything they do. He said the next thing, now they say they won't carry the paper go up, then they come. He say as they carry paper go up, they come back. Now they tell you say they no fit make Juju Ekwesu next of kin. Now you say why? Now they say you Edochie don't already get next of kin. You say he no put next of kin for a bank account. Now their family joint account, all those things now they do. This one now his own personal account. He not put next of kin. Now they say, oh God, you don't get next of kin. Now you can say you don't understand what dey happen. Now they can tell you say, make you go meet a lawyer. A family lawyer. Make you ask a question. Say this is not bank problem. Bank only have the photocopy of a paper that they received, which you cannot make anybody next of kin. So if you is doubting them, you should go to their family lawyer and then come back to them. He said, now so they can't come out to say, Juju Ekwesu come dey pray for his moto. The enemy, their plans not go work. Their plans not go work. He said, no be smart, you know. He said, Juju Ekwesu come dey pray. He said, he on the other side, he can't dey confused. He said, so he went to their family lawyer. He said, now only one go, no carry Juju Ekwesu. He said, when he reached where their family lawyer dey, he explained to their family lawyer, say, he went to the bank, see what they told him. Say he cannot put a next of kin to his own money. For what? Now the family lawyer say, what do you need a next of kin for? Is it your children? He say no. Who? He say his second wife. Now the lawyer say there is no second wife in your will now. Say he never write will. Why he go write will? He won't buy way they write will. And they say, oh God, you did something similar to will. It is not a will, but is a something similar to will. You say no understand. That lawyer go photocopy your paper, come give you. You say you take. Now you and your wife come here, come sign. You no go carry una come for house. Now una come here, come sign. No be you sign say all your properties, everything you work for will be given to your children. The only thing that will stop any of your property from your children is when you and your wife come back here to sign. Say no, this thing will not agree. Put together everybody hold your property. The children let them find their own property. As long as he check, una never come here come sign. Now the old one wanna sign say all your properties. Now only your children go inherit them. No other person, no mosquito, no fly, no cockroaches. The same thing with your wife. All the properties of your wife, only her children that she have for you will inherit it. No other rat or cockroaches or mosquito will inherit those property. True or false? Is it what is written there? You not see math they talk again. But they compose you. Now it comes okay. You will carry this photocopy, go meet your personal lawyer. And the lawyer say, fine. Anyhow you want to you do. But that is your signature. Now you run, you say carry the paper, go meet your own lawyer, your own personal lawyer. He said the lawyer read and the lawyer say, the only thing we go cancel and make me Edochie. Now make you call me Edochie. Make they take go meet lawyer. They go dissolve everything with the right for them. Now you say sorry for the gods. Does me Edochie look like somebody that will go to a lawyer? Does me Edochie look like somebody that will agree so that this thing may they cancel? You say no believe. Say no believe. Now the lawyer tell you say there is no other thing that can be done unless two of una go cancel this thing. All your properties, nobody can drag it with your children. Go reach your pants to tell you how strong this thing is. The brush where you take brush where this has, nobody can collect it except your children. Except your children. It is what you signed. And you did not sign that after you pass on. No. That is one thing. The lawyer tell you, you say they not tell her. Not be after you pass on. You signed it from this day. That means from the day when you sign up, you agreed that everything you own belongs to your children. No rats and cockroaches will collect a dime. Anyone will try and will end up in jail. Now a lawyer tell and say, the only way it can be dissolved, it can be dissolved, but you have to talk to your ex-wife because both of you agreed on it like that. How you say, waiting to go tell me Edochie? They don't finish with that. Now I come ask the lawyer, what alternative does the lawyer think he can do? How the lawyer tell and say, one, you don't have to open any accounts on your name. You don't have to receive money on your name. You don't have to buy properties on your name. You have to buy it with other people's name. That is the only way. If you, as you get Juju Ekwensu as your second wife, if you want to do something for her, you buy a land on her name and give it to her. Those children, if you want to do anything for them, you buy the things on their name, not in your name. Now you see it all here. You go come out. Thinking say wetin the lawyer advise am, you go do am. After all, if you want buy land, use the Ndibusi name to buy am. Abi, very simple. But do you know what you told Lizzy Gold? You told Lizzy Gold say make him buy land put Juju Ekwensu name. Juju Ekwensu will frustrate Mr. Obasi. Juju Ekwensu will pack all Mr. Obasi property run. He said na him now they no go do am too. If he buy one land put Juju Ekwensu name today, the next day Juju Ekwensu don't run follow another man. You say can never try that mistake. Now Lizzy Gold can say, what about the children? Now you tell Lizzy Gold say, does he look like the father of those children? Does those children resemble him in any way? Now I tell Lizzy Gold say, look me Edochie children. When you see and see Zane, you can see that there is Yul Edochie in Zane. If you see Kai talking, you know that your voice is there. If you look at Daniela, you know that this is the daughter of the father. Juju Ekwensu wetin he born wey resemble am. He said definitely knows that those children of Juju Ekwensu get K-leg. He said now he go come buy property put for their name. Tomorrow their papa will come out from one place say, now they get children. After all, they don't get what they won't get. You say can never try that. He said he can never try it. Now they come tell, let his goat come say, okay, use your father or your mother's name. Now you say can't try it too. He said with those the brothers, he said they will claim it. They will fight him and claim those things. They're not going to say he used the papa name. Now he say, what do you do now? You say the thing continue like that. After all, in they sure say those children are his children. But Juju Ekwensu, they sure. They sure. Say the only thing can do for Juju Ekwensu is send them to school, train them. But leaving his property for them now, he said no. He said, but maybe if they don't grow, may he see how things won't go. He said because he not trust Juju Ekwensu relationship. Because what he did to a man that trained her in school, yet he betrayed that man. He said can do worse to him. You see and say men, men are not what you think they are. Isi Miri Jeffa, Ezedike, see Ezedike now, see wetin they talk for Juju Ekwensu back. Hey, my lovely fans. Now you say you better leave those things for your children. We know say they be children than to leave them for Juju Ekwensu. This thing why they tell una so. Juju Ekwensu come they ask you say, how far? You know what Juju, you know what Yul Edochie tell Juju Ekwensu. Yo tell Juju Ekwensu say, he don't go do everything, don't go check everything. Say na fake paper, not the right. Say the paper is not real. Now he don't go meet a lawyer. They won't carry the matter go court, which is a lie. You see the way he deceived Juju Ekwensu. He said they won't carry matter go court. We all know say matter we enter court. Go the long. You see the way he deceived Juju Ekwensu. Because you don't trust those children. You don't trust Juju Ekwensu. Wonder shall never end. Now, as I talk to now, anything that you have, if the Daniela come out tomorrow and say they want to collect it, they have the right to collect it. If Juju Ekwensu come outside, say he won't fight for you, we know say he no get property. We won't fight for the pint and the trouser where they wear. The Daniela get right to sue Juju Ekwensu, and Juju Ekwensu will be taken to the prison because the property belongs to Yul Edochie children. Biro and paper, they talk. Did Mie Edochie argue with him? Did she fight him? That paper and biro don't write them. Hey, he say you saying they pity Juju Ekwensu and the children. Because Juju Ekwensu don't know where he is. He said this woman should have gone slowly. She was rushing. But she don't know that she have rushed into the wrong trap. He said Mie Edochie already secure everything. Nothing for Juju Ekwensu. Now Lizzie go tell you say, for Juju Ekwensu not to enter Ajah mansion, she supposed lose hope. For her not to enter Ajah mansion, she's supposed to know say nothing go reach her hand. If Mie Edochie can secure that home, that means she have already secured everything. Now you say na so. Say Mie Edochie don't secure everything. To the extent you don't already build insurance for the children. Anything that you have today now you not get to anything where that man won't get for a life is already signed and secure that they all belong to the children. So according to the lawyer, he said that the children now will decide, okay, we don't need it. Make Juju Ekwensu children carry. If not, nothing for them. Hey, wonder shall never end. How did Juju Ekwensu end up here? How? Ask question. No, ask question. Don't just see a man that has a wife, an educated one for that matter, and you decide to jump in like frog, afternoon frog, when they find water they go. Be very careful. Juju Ekwensu, all the shouting and everything, 3 children, you won't born more. Nothing for you. You, they lie, give you. That man is lying to you. All his pants, he brush, everything already belong to the children. It is sign that no rat, no cockroaches, no monkey can follow the children to drag anything. At this point, Juju Ekwensu, think wisely. Think wisely. Oh. Mie Edochie. Mie Yul Edochie. No wonder they called you a computer wizard. You are a computer in human form. The only woman that did not make noise and use one bullet to buy all her enemies. That woman is called Mary Aligwe. My lovely fans, leave your judgment. Not comment. This is judgment comment session. Leave your judgment in the comment section for Juju Ekwensu, because at this point, this woman finish. Nothing for her, nothing for the children. Hey, hey, Ogini Kwanu. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.